My name is Andre, and I'm the President and CEO of Sports Plus. And I want to welcome you all to the celebration of today's signing between our organization and the NBBL. Una-una, gusto namin magpasalamat sa ating partners from the Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League, sa ating stakeholders, members of the media, at sa lahat ng mga guests na narito ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo. This partnership is a big step for Sports Plus as we come on board as the official title partner of the NBBL for season 2026. Proud kami na suportahan ng NBBL, one of the fastest rising basketball leagues sa bansa. Marami kaming inihanda para sa ating mga teams at para sa mga fans ng league. But first, just a little introduction of who we are. Sports Plus is the country's premier sportsbook, fully licensed and regulated by PAGCOR, and the official gaming partner of the Philippine Olympic Committee. Those affiliation reflects our commitment to operating with integrity, transparency, and accountability. Higit sa lahat, naniniwala ang Sports Plus sa sports development dito sa Pilipinas, from grassroots hanggang professional level. Gusto namin tumulong, gumawa ng mas maraming opportunities for our athletes, palakasin palalo ang basketball community sa bansa, at mag-contribute sa mas sustainable na sports ecosystem. But the goal of this particular partnership is clear: to help elevate one of the country's fastest rising basketball league by contributing to three key areas. First, supporting the high level of basketball competition, encouraging standards that push teams and players to perform at their best. Second, delivering better fan interaction and engagement, creating a more dynamic and connected experience for supporters both inside and outside the arena. And third, strengthening both on-ground presence and digital visibility to expand reach and grow the league's audience nationwide. For us, this is a collaboration rooted in the shared ambition and long-term vision. We believe that innovation, integrity, and passion for the game comes together. Mas lalo natin may taguyod ng Philippine basketball. Maraming salamat sa NBBL leadership for trusting Sports Plus. We are excited to work closely with you throughout the 2026 season and beyond. Exciting ang next chapter ito for Sports Plus. Maraming salamat, enjoy the event, at magandang umaga po ulit.